Let's move on to next exercises, which is related to reading comprehension. So first question is of text organization. इसमें हम MCQ solve करेंगे. So first MCQ is, in paragraph 1, the topic sentence is supported through dash. A is facts, B is examples, C is definitions. So the answer is A option, which is facts. Second MCQ is, paragraph 2 shows that watching news on television is dash. A, not as convenient, B, trouble-free, C, more convenient than reading newspapers. It's again A option, which is not as convenient. Third MCQ is, the key idea of paragraph 4 is dash. A, reading newspaper is more convenient than watching television. B, watching television and reading newspaper are equally convenient. C, television viewing is more convenient than reading newspaper. It's again A option, which is reading newspaper is more convenient than watching television. Moving on to next MCQ, which is paragraph 5 dash. A, gives arguments in favor of television. B, gives arguments in favor of newspapers. C, shows both mediums are equally advantageous. It's again A options, which is gives arguments in favor of television. Fifth MCQ is, television news is like having a fast food meal, whereas reading newspapers is like having a 10-course dinner. The sentence is an example of dash. A, metaphor, B, simile, C, personification. It's B, simile, क्योंकि इसमें हम comparison draw कर रहे हैं. Sixth MCQ is, paragraph 6 concludes that dash. A, we should use both mediums of information. B, television news should be given preference. C, reading newspapers is more important. It's again A option. We should use both mediums of information. Moving on to next exercise, which is related to reading comprehension, and it is of question and answers. So first question is, how is a newspaper more convenient medium of news? Answer, newspaper is more convenient medium of news because it's handy. It does not require us to sit at a certain place to read it. We can omit the part of news in which we are not interested. Newspapers cover news thoroughly, and we can check its validity. We can also give feedback regarding any story in the newspaper. This was the answer of first question. Moving on to second question, which is, how does viewer get restricted while watching TV news? Answer, while watching news on TV, one needs to sit at a certain place and listen to news. If he will not do so, he will miss some part of news. Moreover, a person has no choice of skipping news in which they are not interested, and it's not a suitable news medium for busy people. In this way, watching TV news restricts the audience. Moving on to third question, which is, in what way watching news on TV is easier than reading a newspaper? Answer, watching news on TV takes little or no effort. One can watch news on television at any time of the day and night. Watching news on television does not require mastery of language to understand it, because everything is visual and auditory, which makes it easy to understand. This was the answer of third question. Moving on to fourth question, which is, how do newspapers give us more in-depth coverage? Answer, newspapers give us more in-depth coverage because it contains editorials. Column writers give their expert views and detailed analysis, which provide detailed viewpoints regarding a story in the newspaper. Moving on to fifth question, and it is, why do some people read more than one newspapers? Answer, some people opt to read more than one newspapers to check validity of any story in the newspaper. They read multiple newspapers and get different viewpoints and compare those viewpoints to check the validity of the news. This was the answer of 5th question. Moving on to 6th question, which is, how can readers give feedback to the newspaper articles? Answer: readers of newspapers have this luxury which viewers of television lack, that they can give feedback to the newspaper articles. Readers can give their feedback to the articles by writing to the forum page. Moving on to our last question, और इसमें आपका ओपिनियन पूछा गया है कि आपको कौन सा मीडियम अच्छा लगता है फॉर न्यूज़। तो इसमें हम न्यूज़पेपर की फेवर में भी लिखेंगे और टेलीविज़न की फेवर में भी लिखेंगे। फर्स्ट, it is written in the favor of television. So, question number 7 is, which medium do you prefer for news? Why? Answer: I prefer watching news on television as it takes little or no effort. One can enjoy visuals along with listening news. Much mastery of language is not needed to understand news from the television. Moreover, watching news on television is less time-consuming as the news is not that much detail and it broadcasts news as it is happening. Again, we'll be discussing same question. Question number 7. Which medium do you prefer for news? Why? This time in favor of newspaper. So answer: I prefer reading news from newspaper because it's handy and can be carried anywhere. It can be read anywhere, anytime. One can omit areas of news in which a person is not interested. Detailed news can be read from newspaper. Moreover, the validity of the news in the newspaper can be checked and readers can give feedback. Thank you.